What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala. We're currently seeing at 0.021. We're seeing our pullback down 5% on the day. Market cap 746 million, 25 volume 62 million. So I may be looking for a long out of this zone if I see the reaction that I want. I'll be keeping a tight stop loss. Hopefully give me a 20, 25 to 1. The signal will be given in the Discord, which is free. You can click the link down below in the comments. So we pushed up in a 5-wave move. Now we have a 3-wave pullback. Depending on BTC, Bitcoin does look like, let me open it up here. Bro, what's with this lag? This is the weekly cup and handle I was showing in my Discord. But Bitcoin does look like it could pull back a little bit more here. Unfortunately, I'm experiencing terrible lag. And if that does happen, then I'm just going to go back to Gala because this lag is too much for me to handle. It's always when I'm screen recording. Otherwise, my laptop runs perfectly. Then Gala could easily come down to the 78.6 at 0.020, which would offer a better risk to reward off the bounce. But I will be looking for a long out of this zone. Potentially, if I see the reactions that I want, then I'll take my position. And basically, you would continue up in that wave 3, which is a target of 0.02566. So if we zoom out, this is a 15-minute chart. Let me zoom out to the 1 hour. As you can see, off this low of 0.0185, we had a wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, and your wave 3 extension would take you up to 0.02566. So that's where I want to trade Gala up to if I get the nice reaction that I want to see. If we are to break the 78.6, it increases a bearish scenario of coming down and breaking that low. But as of right now, it does look like we're seeing the continuation back to the upside. So we'll be looking for a long out of that zone. And of course, on the daily chart, we had that beautiful retest. We got back above the daily EMAs. We're just coming back to retest them as we talked about in the previous video. So hopefully we can hold them and we can bounce off that support there of 0.021 and continue back to the upside towards our target of 0.027 and eventually the resistance of 0.034. My break even for my largest investment is 0.033. So we'll see how that goes for our friend Gala. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. This is where I do my trading. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world. One of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. Click the link down below. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. And then you can join my free Discord. I've been absolutely crushing it. Trading gold this week. I'm up like, I think 20% on the week. So that means that if you have a $10,000 account, you made 20% of that. So you made $2,000 in a week, which is pretty juicy. And yeah, I get my exact crypto trade setups as well as my crypto analysis. All links down below. Check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.